from copy. The first one would be the likes of Crypto asks, "Hello, I'm George. We're all George." And the second one from Luke Bensley. "Hello, welcome to hell." I like the second one better. With that, I'm gonna do a cappella pull out from Lao Dat Wa, Andy Lau, or he's among the four heavenly kings, Li Dai Qing Wang. And the title of the song is 一起走過的日子, and this is how it sounds out. 如何面對曾一起走過的日子，現在剩下我獨行，如何讓心息一一個你知，從來無人明白我，唯一你俾我好日子，愛你有愛情，有心有死有義，當時風浪凍如瘡，這一輩子不明思，愛你有愛情，有山有水有地，不可太針你沒精。With that, I will talk about. Oh, by the way, I'll show you. So that my thumb right here is pointing north. That's South Tower. So if you move right here, this is South San Jose, Menlo Ventures, South Korea, and Acquisition.com. About 3:30. No, yeah, 4:30. Clock direction will be Acquisition.com in South Korea and Menlo Ventures. With that, I will talk about my work in Plastic Tornado. I will create a new module. I don't know what a module is in Eclipse. I need to figure out. But a module is a set of source code that you compile to a binary. I call that a module. It may be different for the Eclipse. So the reason is because I'm having a lot of issues with the swing GUI to create a custom render for tables, and I think I have to use a JFrame to pop up a new frame instead of using a panel, and because it breaks, and I just don't want to break the build, so it'll be good for me. I need to do some experimentation on the class loader, so I'll call it, I'll merge the class loader multi-platform, the feature, to call it multi-platform. That module called multi-platform, to have allow it to start and stop the Tomcat process programmatically. All right. So there are two ways to. Currently, there are two ways to start a Tomcat server. One is you use the bin directories to start up that bat or sh to start it up, and once the daemon starts, then the log file will be /logs directory, and the configuration will be /config. So that will be the regular manual configuration. You could do it, embed it in Eclipse, and so that will allow you to create a server that has all the config XML information, and you could start. So it'll be easier for you to integrate your debugging, and you could debug in order to debug the standalone distribution with Tomcat. You have to use the logged API. In the past, it's a little bit extra work because you had to download the log4j and configure it using a class loader. But now it's bundled. The server context get log. So that's how you debug it on the standalone Tomcat. But in Eclipse, you debug it on just the integrated debugger. The console, if you debug it, if you have a standalone application as well as the console, then there's an option that switches the buffer to do it. So that's a little hidden. With that, I will talk about anti-collision propagation handshake. I want to call it protocol, but I'll just do it handshake. And so basically, if you imagine a windmill. So that a windmill, right, has a fan. It spins the sinusoidal signal, and then all these vehicles, flying cars, would follow the sinusoidal structure, and they each will send out a packet that behaves at the same frequency, that resonate with the same frequency as in a smaller packet frequency as the main one, the spinning fan. So I'll do more technical write out, and also I need to finish the GTML. Great, thank you.